Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to make $100 per day from swing trading. So how this video is going to get broken down is the very first thing we're going to do is going to do a little mini course, understanding what swing trading is, some of the key concepts to understand for beginners to get into swing trading. And then the third thing we're going to do is talk about how to find swing trade stocks. And then the fourth thing we're going to do is going to look at, my personal positions that I'm in, why I'm in them, my future expectations for them, some of my profits, everything that you guys need to understand for swing trading. So now here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead, turn to the computer and do that little course. And so you guys kind of understand what swing trading is. And then we're going to do all that other stuff. So now roll the intro. We'll see you in there. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so we're going to go ahead and look at what is swing trading. We're going to talk about everything that you guys need to understand. So overall, I hope you guys enjoy it and I hope you guys learn something. So now, what is swing trading? So swing trading is a style of trading that captures gains in the stock market over a period from several weeks to only a couple of days. So you guys see this little chart here. This says day traders and swing traders. Day traders hold that position during the day. The study came out and they said day traders hold their position for 22 minutes. Compared to swing traders, they may hold their position for several days, maybe even a couple of weeks, depending on the market they're in or their stock that they're in. Understand that this is going to take time. Why do a lot of people like swing trading over day trading? Well, one, you can do it with a full-time job. You don't need to be in tune with the markets as much. You don't need to constantly check up on it. This is something that somebody with a 9-to-5 job can do. Using studies to your advantage. I don't care what type of trader you are, you have to understand proper studies. So these are the top two that I use. The very first one is moving average lines. One of the main reasons why I love it is because you can instantly see the direction of the stock and they can be used as support or resistance lines. So do you guys see the stock right here? Within an instant, you can look at this line and tell the overall trend is up. Also, you guys see every time that this stock has hit this line here, it gets bought up. That means that this line is the support line. So you can go ahead and make swing trades every time the stocks hit it, set your stop loss right below it, and overall make a ton of money. So also, when the stock is below it, if that's say the line was up here, that would be used as resistance. So it's just a matter of if the stock's above it, then it's support. If it's below it, that's resistance. All right, so down here, this is the RSI. This is the relative strength index. This can tell if a stock is oversold or overbought. So do you guys see when the stock fell below this 30 mark on the RSI? That means that there is an opportunity for the stock to go up in value because it is oversold. So you guys can see if you guys would have got in, you would have really rode this stock up and made a ton of money off it. But the second that the stock broke above the RSI into overbought territory, that means there's a lot of downside potential. Do you guys see how once it comes up in here, it has downward potential? So just understand these, use both of these to your advantage. Obviously, there's a lot more than these two. There's, there's MACD indicators, there's, VWAP, there's a lot of other ones. Another very important one is volume, but we'll kind of get into that in a little bit. All right, so paper trading, the importance of it. Paper trading is just simulated trading. I would recommend Thinkorswim because you can get a real-time platform. You don't have to actually spend money on it. And obviously, they have the best charts. They have all the moving average lines that you guys need. You guys would definitely benefit from them. All right, scaling to $100 per day. So this is the ideal situation. You want to make $100 per day from swing trading. So how does this work? You have to, everything that you guys have, if let's say you guys developed a strategy and you're making $1 per day, okay? Let's just say, hypothetically, you're making $1 per day from swing trading. The only thing that's stopping you from making $100 per day is share size. So you have the correct strategy. You have everything correct. So the ideal situation is that you go ahead and you have proper share size. So here's this little table that I use. If your account size is any of these, you can and you normally trade the stock price, you risk 2%, and then this is just kind of a go-to share size. So you're minimizing risk and you're maximizing reward. So you guys can take a screenshot of that or do whatever you guys want to do with it. All right, so now how do we find stocks? Let's jump into it. I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you in there. Alrighty guys, so we're up and loaded here. We're on finvez.com. You guys can see. So the reason why I like this is because somebody with like a Robinhood account, or someone just getting started, can get a free scanner that they can use to find stocks that have some value. So do you guys see this little thing over here? This tells, just, you can look at it instantly and it will tell kind of the whole market. So you guys can see the stocks that are up, down, and it honestly is kind of like half and half. A lot of big companies are up on the day. But I like to go to screener here. So this is going to be, finding stocks that meet your certain criteria. Click all right here, and now go, and you guys can obviously put in all the information that you guys want. I'm just going to be showing you guys mine. So we're going to go to price. We're going to want to go to under 20 or even under 50. The reason why I like this is because you can honestly get a lot more shares if you have under 50 bucks. That's just my opinion. Obviously, if you guys don't want to do that, you guys don't have to. So now we're going to want to go to pattern. Now, the reason why I like to put pattern in is because this is going to tell the overall direction of the stock. If you want a stock that's going up in value, or you want to go long in it, you can go to channel up or channel up strong. So that's up to you. And if you guys want to short the stock, I would recommend doing channel down and then channel down strong. So we're going to go ahead and just click channel up. So now you guys can see we still have 159 stocks in this whole thing. So now we're going to want to go to average volume, and we're going to want to go to over anywhere from 400K to 500K. The reason why is because you want people to be in that position with you. They may see a trend, there may be an opportunity. So I like to go to over 500K is fine. So now we still have 65 stocks. So now go to relative volume, and you guys want to go to over anywhere from 0.25 or 0.5. So really what this means is it's just the overall demand for the stock. So you guys can see that really didn't knock out a lot of them. So there could be a lot of stocks that may have some value. So click charts here, and you guys can just go ahead and look at them, and just look at them instantly, and just see, what they've done in the past, and kind of see the future expectations for them. So you guys see CAKE trading at $40 got slammed. There could be a nice opportunity here. So just kind of go through and obviously take some time, because you want to treat this as, a job. You want to treat this as, this is the most important part. You can have the best strategy, you can have the best platform, best execution, but if you choose the wrong stock, you're going to lose money 99% of the time. So just go through them and actually click on them. So we're going to look for one that may have some opportunity. So now right here we have LMNX. So you guys can see all the, the fundamentals of the stock. You guys can see the market cap. So it is a pretty large company, market cap at $1.8 billion. So this stock has upward potential. Right now it's trading at $33. Throughout this whole pandemic, this stock has been going up in value, which is pretty crazy if you ask me. So there could be a nice opportunity here for the trend going in your favor, because it's already going in your favor, and there's definitely some opportunity here. So if you have an account with them, you can create an alert, or you can save it to your portfolio, or you can just do whatever you want to do. So now if you guys want to have like an interactive chart, you obviously have to pay for it. But obviously that's still pretty affordable. So now going back here, you guys can just go through, so that there's definitely opportunity here. So now what are the stocks that I'm currently in? Let's go ahead and talk about it and why I'm in them, some of the profits I've made. Alrighty guys, so we are up and loaded here. This is my Thinkorswim platform. We're just going to break down some of the easy swing trades that I've currently have, why I kind of cut my losses, some of them, and why I'm still profitable on the stock. So do you guys see, this is ticker symbol PENN. This stock went literally crazy and went from literally 20 bucks high to 40 bucks. And then the whole recession hit, and I got hit pretty hard, sold off some of my shares, and then the stock continued to fall, and I continued to average my position down. So when I averaged my position down, I bought into it. I bought a share at $24, bought another one here at $24, and then I bought all the way down here at $8 and 10 cents, and then $11. So I moved my average price. Let's go ahead and look at it. I moved my average price to $12.57 with a stock that's only a stock that's only right now 17 bucks. I'm up over $20 on just from averaging down my position. So when I always talk about that in some of my previous videos, I really mean it, and you can make a lot of money from it. So really where I see the stock going right now is, since I have a great price on it and I'm up well over 50% on it, this stock's going to have trouble breaking over this. this moving average line. I just talked about it. So when the stock's below it like it is here, it's going to have a harder time breaking above it. So this is probably going to be when I hop out of this position. The reason why is you guys see when it broke below it, it's hit it here, 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 and now it's going to come and hit it here. So really, we're going to see this stock get major sell-off in the next couple of days. And this is going to be when I hop out of it. Maybe I only hop out 1 or 2 shares because I only have 3 shares. So I may keep one. So when it breaks the overall moving average line, I know it's going to continue to go up in value. So we'll see what happens with this one, but I'm very excited. So this next one here is Live Nation Entertainment. This stock had a beautiful trend line, and the trend is your friend. Don't forget that. So this stock got hit pretty hard from this whole virus. And you guys can see I have my position. I'm down a little bit, but I'm going to be holding the stock for several weeks. Not a couple of days like Penn, but for several weeks. The reason why is because this stock is profitable. This company has this beautiful trend line, and I know when the market comes back, this stock is going to come back with it. I bought it all the way down here, at 41.26, so I didn't get the best buy. But realistically, I could see this stock coming back up to $60 within a couple of weeks, if not a couple of months. So there's definitely a lot of potential with all these stocks, and just go through. It's going to take time. That's why I'd highly recommend paper trading. And if you go ahead and start swing trading, then go ahead, start small like I am, only, a share. 3 shares on Penn, but I'm already up $20 on that. I've just sold out of a couple other ones. ACB I just got out of with a nice profit. There's a lot of other ones. But that's pretty much how I make $100 per day just by looking at stocks. These are the only 2 I'm in right now because I want the best setups that offer the best reward. So that's what I would recommend doing. Alrighty guys, so that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys smash the like button. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Videos are going to be coming out like crazy, so get ready for it. Also, if you guys have any video ideas, make sure you guys comment down below and I'll respond to all of you guys. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow. Roll the outro, stay safe, see you tomorrow.